today I had my dad come over to the shop. He's never been here before. He's really not like me in the sense of speed. He's kind of scared of it. He's kind of scared of a fast car. We have a lot of those, but we have an uber fast 1200 horsepower twin turbo Gallardo built by Underground. Basically, we're gonna set up the GoPro. We're gonna get him in there. I'm gonna try to think of a reason why he needs to be in it. I don't know what that is. And by the owner's consent, we're gonna give him a joyride and we're gonna see how he likes it. Should be some of the best reactions you've ever seen. He's probably gonna be smoking a cigarette instantly after he gets out of there. I got my Artie the Antic shirt on. It's not a better shirt for this day, so let's see what happens. All right, so it didn't really go as planned as of yet. He doesn't know what's going on. First off, he asked me, do I have something to give him? Typical fashion, right? So making sure he doesn't come in here. We had to put the car back together. I thought it was finished, but it's not. So I'm about to go give him a ride. It's warming up right now. I'm sure you can hear it.
He didn't want to get in it.
How do you think this is gonna go?
I hope he gets in it. He didn't want to. I was trying so hard to stall him. I gave him a tour of the whole place. And I was like, oh, you know, and he's like, well, why is he hand me here? What is he gonna? I was like, I don't know, he just needs your help with something. I don't know what.
Is he getting in?
I hope so.
Hey, put that thing out. Come on, get in this thing real quick. Come on, just get in here real quick. It ain't gonna hurt you. My leg's numb too. Get in here. Come on, you're fine. It rides like a Cadillac.
He's like, I'm not getting in that fucking thing. So there's nothing he could do to get me in.
You gotta put your money.
Wage number and shit.
Mine is too. You got that sciatica. Better put your seatbelt on.
You're gonna take me on the fucking highway. I'm telling you.
I don't need to go on the highway.
There he goes. This is great.
He's gonna be pissed. Alright, I got putting dollar bets down. When he gets out, will he be pissed off, happy, sad? What do you got a dollar on?
Hope he will be happy.
I think he'll have a big smile on his face.
Yeah.
Or he's just gonna be the exact opposite, just be so mad.
Yeah.
Alright,
It's either one extreme or the other. He'll definitely have a cigarette. I mean,
alright, how many seconds do you think it'll take before he lights a cigarette? I'm gonna put a timer on it. I
When
say
he gets out of the car.
17.
yeah, right out. Right when he gets out. he'll have-
Like hand in pocket, pulling out.
32
Oh.
seconds, I'll get my stopwatch ready.
Yeah,
Alright.
he'll already be preparing it before he gets out.
Oh man.
32 seconds.
32 seconds. Alright, I've got 17. Put a good dollar bet on it.
Yeah.
How can you say no to riding in this thing?
Cause I ain't into this shit.
What do you not? What do you mean?
Cause I'm just not.
What do you mean you're not into what?
These fast ass cars.
This one's not fast.
What's that good?
Electrical. What? What do you mean?
I don't need this kind of rush on me.
There ain't no rush.
It is for me.
This thing's slow.
Yeah, right.
I promise.
Alright, that's enough.
We're going 50 miles an hour.
If I'm driving, that's different.
We're going 50 miles an
I ain't
hour.
driving
It
as
just
slow as
sounds violent.
Fucking customer owns this car.
How much horsepower do you think this thing has?
Too much. Don't even do it. Don't even
No, how much do you
consider
think it has?
Don't-
Just had to guess.
Probably about 800.
800.
Yeah.
Well, it's about 1200.
Well, that's fine. Just take me back, please. That's enough. Travis, that's enough. I don't like this shit. Just take me back,
I'm
please.
taking you back.
I'm not into that. That's enough. I mean, stop. I'm done.
It's slow.
take off tomorrow for more of my back.
This isn't hurting your. This is things as smooth as it gets.
That's enough. That's enough. No, I ain't coming back over no more. No, I know. Shit my pants. Easy, easy. Fucking about to snap my neck and back this fucking seat. What's that rolling around? Damn. Look, that's bouncing my hand off the fucking handrest. Honey, turn here, take me back. I want to get home in one fucking piece. Damn. I'm coming back, I think, this way.
Yeah, that's how I go.
Easy.
See, it ain't
Well, I
bad.
had that detour. I had to cut across. Those dogs.
Those are Heidi's dogs. You've met them before.
Oh, those two look.
Rexy, wake up, come here. Rexy, come here.
There's nothing over there on your door you can hit, is it? Right here.
Oh, God.
How are you doing?
I'm not worth a shit. That's what I'm not.
How are you doing?
I'm not worth a shit. That's what I'm not. I'll never be back.
You're not coming back?
No. Scared the shit out of me. Swear I didn't have a damn heart attack. I told when we turned around down there at Lagoon Road, me driving back.
He wanted a granny it back.
Really?
No, I wouldn't have.
Oh, get out of here.
I scared him.
We might even have broke 100, I don't think. Because he used to always tell me we in his F-150, he'd get, I'm gonna snap your neck, I'm gonna snap your neck. Like when I was real young, and I'm like, all right. I'm like, what? He's like, oh, God damn it. And I'm like, snapping necks, remember that? He's like, yeah, but you're young.